This is Summer Star. You could change out the colors and you could have an autumn star, a winter star, and a spring star. But this is Summer Star, and I thought it would look like a sunflower, or the colors of a sunflower. So that's why I put these colors in there. Here is the block, the 12-inch block, and the diagram. And your alternative half square triangle, because there are a lot of half square triangles in here. There's also quarter square triangles, so I'll put the alternative for that down here as well. I just noticed that. And here's what they look like with set block to block, and these are 4 blocks. Here are all the patches you need to cut, and the AccuQuilt alternatives as usual. And then here is a suggested order of piecing. Here are the pieces all cut just in the patches, squares, the small triangles, and the larger triangles, and then the center square. I'll go and piece all the half square triangles and the quarter square triangles.